The new Desigo CC management platform from Siemens allows you to control, monitor, and optimize all the systems in your building. Desigo CC displays all vital information at a glance. The state-of-the-art intuitive user interface makes operation easier than ever. Changes can be made quickly while the system is running. Desigo CC allows you to efficiently administer multiple disciplines, including heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, lighting, and shading from a central location. It also supports interaction with the fire safety and security disciplines.
We've been benefiting from Desigo CC since 2014. It's the ideal management platform for highly efficient building automation and provides maximum comfort. For example, Desigo CC allows us quick and easy trend data comparisons, highlighting optimization and building automation expansion opportunities. This ensures that all processes can be customized to our individual requirements at any time.
Desigo CC sets new standards for building automation systems. Because the interface design is the same on all supported clients, Desigo CC is easy to use. Changes to building systems can be made during running operation. Simultaneous editing, monitoring, and optimization ensure uninterrupted system availability. Remote access to the system is possible at any time and from anywhere. This makes maintenance particularly efficient. Scalable vector graphics make it possible to zoom into circuit diagrams down to the smallest detail. Desigo CC offers highly efficient graphics creation. Components such as fans, sensors, or ventilation equipment are easily integrated into circuit diagrams using drag and drop. You can use the data collected by the system to compare and evaluate trends over 2 different time periods. Modifications to accommodate the requirements of building users can be made right away. We've been impressed with the new features of Desigo CC and its ease of use from the get-go, starting with installation and commissioning. We primarily benefit from the reduced engineering effort and the intuitive workflow made possible by the uniform user interface design. We're now able to complete projects very quickly and smoothly. For example, I can monitor and optimize the system status from anywhere using remote access. And thanks to the web engineering capabilities, I can make changes from Desigo CC at any time during running operation. This saves valuable time and minimizes unnecessary disruptions. Another great time saver is the ability to run simulations during graphics creation. Changes can be displayed and tested using simulated or real-time values, all with the click of the mouse.
Et tout ceci en un simple clic de souris.
Desigo CC makes work much easier for us. Because this building automation system is scalable and uses open communication protocols such as BACnet and OPC, the system quickly adapts to new requirements. This ensures that we are well prepared for whatever the future may bring. Desigo CC is the new standard for tomorrow's building automation.